Scientific notation. This presentation will involve pausing the video for the students to solve the problems. The human body is composed of many different types of cells. White blood cells are responsible for fighting infections in the body which are caused by bacteria and viruses. The typical diameters of an example of each are shown in the table below. Which cell in the table has the largest diameter and which cell has the smallest?
To get the white blood cell in standard notation, you take the 1.1 and move the decimal 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and put the zeros in. The power of 10 is negative, so you move the decimal to the left. And changing from SNOT to standard, moving the decimal to the left will cause the power of 10 to be negative, but moving the decimal to the right will cause the power of 10 to be positive. When you change from standard to SNOT, moving the decimal to the right will cause the power of 10 to be negative, and moving the decimal to the left will cause the power of 10 to be positive. Let's try this with the Streptococcus bacteria. Now take this number and move the decimal until it is after the 1. Because we moved the decimal to the right 4 places, we will write this as 1 times 10 to the negative 4th. Now to answer the question, the Streptococcus bacteria is the largest and the white blood cell is the smallest.
This is the scientific notation number for the amount of Lady Gaga's followers on Twitter. Try to put this into standard notation. If you can't, try what you think is best. Ready, set, go. Okay, is this what you got? If you got this, great job. If you didn't, I have a simple way to show you how. Well, we first have our 1.6. To find the original number, we need to see how many zeros there are. To find out, we take the superscript, or the 9, or the power, and draw these lines to show the amount of spaces we need to move the decimal to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we just put the zeros in the dips and we have our number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is wrong. That is a common misconception because the 6 takes the place of this last 0. And so we have our original number, 1,600,000,000. Now time for a recap. If we are changing scientific notation to standard and the power is negative, then we move to the left. It's the opposite for a positive power. There are about 600 million Facebook users at this time. Put this into scientific notation. Solve it on your own. Teachers, pause the video at this time. 6 times 10 to the 8th power Facebook users is the correct answer. Brought to you by Dakota Gray, Brittany Fletcher, and help from Miss Caton, Miss Estes, and Miss Wright.